Hello, welcome back. My name is Manai Browning. I'm a junior communications scholar here at Edward Waters University, and today we're here for my AdPr class, and we're talking about why one man could, possibly rebuild a whole city, and a multi-company cannot. Why? So, my reasons, also based on my textbook, is that it's more difficult for large or multi-company organizations to rebuild large decaying cities because they got to worry about their reputation. Like, they just have overall more things to worry about, to think about in the first place. So for one, I would say they have to worry about their reputation. If they decide to rebuild a decaying city and maybe something terrible happened to somebody in that city, then everybody's gonna be like, yo, what's wrong with you? Why would you choose that city out of all the cities to pick? Why would you choose that city? Which would be a real question. But they have to worry about their reputation. And so also too, that also goes with making sure that while they're repairing this decaying city, that they're doing so good that nothing disturbs anybody or makes any problems. That also goes into my next one, where more people means more problems. More people, more problems. If the city is bigger, that means more people are going to have to be involved, which automatically brings more problems. Automatically. So, yeah, and so my next rule is more rules. And so since it's a bigger city and it requires more people, more equipment, more product, more everything, there's just more rules to go through, more red tape. And that also means like government-wise, supply-wise, location-wise, employment-wise, just overall more rules that they would have to do. And so my last one is that they would have to answer to more people as well. So really the main issue is that it's just the magnitude of things that they would have to go through to, repair these cities. So my last one is that they have to answer to more people. So that means, investors, customers, employees that they may have, like they just have to answer to more people because the city is bigger. And so that can also make things take longer because now they have to get certain approvals from these people over here, and then also an approval from this person at the same time. And I don't know about them, but I gotta work on the frequency that I check my emails, so I can imagine that being a problem. I can imagine. But yeah, that is for my AdPr class on why multi-companies cannot do that kind of thing, why they struggle on rebuilding cities, because it's just hard on them overall. Thank you.